The Becema format 20 meters cubed dump body mounted on the KAMAZ 65801 chassis is one of the recent developments by joint stock company Becema. This mass-produced superstructure is designed for operations in difficult driving and weather conditions. It showed an excellent performance in transportation of inert materials: sand, gravel, crushed stone, asphalt. The dump body is made of wear-resistant and deformation-resistant Quard 450 steel produced by the NLMK group, which allows it to resist impact and dynamic loads without deformation. Among the main advantages of the Becema format are a unique W-shaped floor pan designed to avoid cargo freezing and sticking in low temperatures. Binotto, Italy, Hiva, Netherlands, hydraulic equipment. Fast and even heating of the floor pan due to patented double floor pan structure. A reinforced rear rail of the floor pan made of steel with a thickness of up to 10 millimeters. Orifices in the upper part of rear pillars are used for exhaust gases discharge. Durable double-layered raw coating provides resistance to the majority of deleterious substances. Shot blasting technology provides a long service life for both the Becema format body and the dump truck. This unique technology is used at the plant to prepare surfaces for painting, remove rust, and clean the surface of rolled steel after the welding of assemblies. Excellent handling properties of the steel make cutting, welding, and bending much easier, providing a more effective body manufacturing process. The Becema format dump body on the KAMAZ 65801 chassis eliminates the majority of common issues that arise during use of dump trucks. For customers, the main advantages of this body type are characterized by a ratio of 10 to 100. It means that the use of steel with special structural performance ensures a 10% decrease of dump body weight and a 100% increase of its service life. Becema format dump bodies are the best solution when it comes to extreme operating conditions. The design and exterior of the body can be customized according to the customer's requirement.